The matter management feature in Lexzur empowers legal teams to consolidate all information on a matter in a simple and user-friendly platform. Once you receive a client's request, the initial step involves adding this corporate matter to your database. This can be done effortlessly by clicking on the Quick Create button located on the navigation menu. There are 3 mandatory fields to fill. Name: enter a distinctive name that makes it easier to find and search for this corporate matter later. Practice area: utilize the customizable drop-down list to specify the relevant area of practice associated with this matter. Arrival date: indicate when this matter arrived at your office. By default, it takes the current date. Moreover, you have the option to provide a detailed description of the matter and specify the client making the request. You can easily search for existing clients or add new ones on the fly. Assigning the matter to a specific user, setting its priority, and more are also customizable options. While these fields are optional, it's advisable to fill them out for a smoother report generation process at a later stage. Now, you can effortlessly track and manage all your corporate matters from a single, centralized grid. To delve deeper and make additional modifications, click on the matter's name or ID to access its dedicated page. Within the General Info tab, you have the flexibility to add or modify details, update workflow statuses, document important developments, and create custom fields to include any additional information. For streamlined collaboration, you have the option to outsource this matter to external legal practitioners. And you can mention any contributors actively working on the matter. Furthermore, you can use the Notes section to keep track of all noteworthy updates associated with this matter. Assign tasks and set reminders for your team, especially when multiple individuals are working concurrently on the same matter. This allows you to effectively track all associated tasks and reminders related to the current matter, along with their respective details. Moreover, you can send emails through the matter and seamlessly track all related email conversations. The Attachments tab lets you organize folder structures and upload and manage documents related to this matter. In addition, record expenses, time logs, and bills, so you can determine what to invoice later. You can establish a link between a matter and an existing matter or contract in Lexzur. Last but not least, fine-tune user rates, matter rates, capping, partners' percentages, and billing preferences for this corporate matter from the Settings tab. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.